Hello everyone, Russ from lifethreads Albums. Hopefully you're all staying safe and healthy. What we wanted to try to do is to start to build you guys a toolbox of tips, tricks, and ideas, practical resources to help you not only now during this slowdown, but also once things start to get on track again. So for this first tip, what I'm going to do is show you how to set up a new project in your studio account that you can use as a calculator to price out albums, to price out print projects for your clients. We get asked for quotes quite regularly. This is how I do it. And it's a great way, worth taking a couple minutes to set these up, and then you can easily get quotes for your customers. So enough of you seeing my mug. We'll turn this thing around and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I've logged into my studio account and we want to start on our dashboard. If you're not there, just click on dashboard in the main menu. I've already created 3 projects in my account for the calculators, so you can see them here. I just named them with a AAA at the beginning, so they're easy to find when I get into my project manager. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm going to show you how to set up one more. We're going to use the canvases, so we're going to go into a wall display. Just show you how to quickly set up a project. You could do the same basic procedures for anything, so I'll call this the same. We'll call this canvas calc. It doesn't really matter what you choose at this point, just choose a dummy size. You do with prints, either giclee or silver halide, and canvases, you do need to load in an image, otherwise you won't get a price. So there we go. Okay, just ignore that that's too small. It doesn't matter for the point of the calculator actually. So pretending we had all those set up. Now at this point, to adjust these to see a new price, you go into your project manager. And in Project Manager, it's actually a really powerful tool. We can see I've scrolled down to the most recent ones at the bottom. If I want to see an album, so if I've got a client, say, I've already set this up for a 10 by 10, but let's say they changed their mind and they now want a 12 by 12. So this is my price here. We just change that to a 12 by 12. It's going to ask that. We just say yes. And now you'll see my price has changed. If I want to see the breakdown on that, I can click that. It shows me the breakdown. Oh yeah, my cameo is 25. So I could change that if I wanted to take that cameo out. You would see that that would be gone. So we would just turn that off. And now you'll see that changes. If I go to yes again, it's going to want me to design that cameo. Again, with cameos, plaques, you do actually need to just throw a dummy image in there. So I'm just going to show you that just in case you run into that little hiccup. Once that's in there, when I'm back out in my project manager, I can see that. So again, I could change from a square to a landscape. I always gonna get this warning about the change. And then you'll see with the 14 by 11, the price has changed. If I drop to an 8 by 6, yes, the price will change again. So that's how those calculators work. With the prints, it's just slightly different in that you're gonna probably wanna do what I've done and set up a giclee print one and a halide print one. And then if you're going to want more than one size in there, you need to set those up in your calculator. So if you typically say sell people groups of 5 by 7s, 8 by 10s, and 4 by 6s, you need to have those all in there in order to get that price for that. So if I take this and I was going to do say 20 4 by 6s, I could change the copies there. And if I grouped it with 10 5 by 7s, you'll see that now my price has gone up. Again, if I want the breakdown, if I click on that price, it will give me the flyout breakdown and we can close that. So that's how that works. I would again recommend setting up an album, a giclee print if you sell those, a halide print if you sell those, and then a canvas one if you sell those. And then you've got calculators you can easily pull up and get quotes. Hope that helps you guys out. Have a great day.